Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a contact page on your site. So first thing we need to do is click on under plugins, add new, and then we're going to do a search for contact form 7, and we're simply going to install that plugin. And then what happens is with this plugin it will send the information that your visitor submits to this form to the contact email that's in your settings here. Okay, so under general, whatever you have for your email address is where it's going to get sent to. So what we do is we come over here to contact forms, and this is the first one that's in here by default. And if we click on edit, you'll see that it asks for the name, the email, the subject, the message, and then there's a button that says send. Okay, and if we scroll down here, you can see that this is the email that it gets sent to. Okay, now all we have to do to add this contact form to a contact page is to simply copy this little bit of code right here, come over here and click create new page, call it contact, and we'll say I have a question or comment, let us know here. And then we simply paste that little short code, and it doesn't matter if it's in the visual or the text, it'll still work, and then we hit publish. Now when we click on view page, you can see that you have this great looking form. It has name, email, subject, message, send. Now if you want to change the button where it says send on there, we can simply come over here and where it says send in quotes, send my comment. Okay, and then we hit save, and then when we come over here and we refresh this, you'll see that it now says send my comment. So that's it for adding a contact page.